Hey guys, welcome to my first Let's Talk video. That will be a longer video, but in this we will discuss how to use math and trigonometry to improve our game design. So let's start. At first we have this problem. The rotation goes to 180 to minus 108. Which doesn't exist but means 108 degrees to the left or 180 degrees to the right. And here we have 0. The problem is the animation considers this a different position of this, which is not true, as the rotation is more like a circle, where we have 0 here, 90 degrees, minus 90, and here we have 180. We have something in math called trigonometric circle. That's exactly this, but we have a graph x, y, where y is sin and x is cosine. So when the angle is 0 set here, here's 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, right? So when the angle is 0, as you can see, the value of sin is 0. So as I increase the angle, the value of the sin increases. Until we reach here at 90 degrees, where the value is 1. We keep going, like here, it's like 135 degrees, and here we have finally 180 degrees, and here we keep going until we have 360 degrees. But some way here is 180 degrees, here is minus 180 degrees. The same here, 90 degrees, and here 0. So what do we do with that? Given this interval of yaw, we can use the sin function to get some values. So let me put here a table where I have the angle and the sin. Okay. For 0 degrees, as you can see, the y value of sin is 0. In 90 degrees, the value is 1. And we keep going with that. Okay. In minus 90, we have minus 1. And finally, in 180 degrees, we have 0 again, as you can see here. Knowing this, we have another function called a sin that returns the value of a sin to an angle. Like, let me draw another table. Okay, when we have 0, it returns 0 degrees. When we have 1, it returns 90 degrees. Minus 1, minus 90. And in 0, we have 0 again. So you ask me now, so we won't rotate the character until 180 degrees. And that's right. We just need to do this simple thing. Here, he's going forward. Here, he's going right. Let me put a little right. And here is going left. We have some between directions like here, and that's important. You will see how. Okay, so we have these directions, and when the angle is greater than 90 degrees, it will simply come back to those directions. Like when it's 180 here, it will just come here to 0. And we just need to reverse the animation. So with just one animation, we can do every direction of the movement. Like when the yaw, it's let me put numbers here so it's easier to understand. So here we have 0, 90, 45. Here is 135. Okay. When we go to the animation and we have this direction, in fact, we will not use this direction. We use this direction with reversed animation. The same goes here. And here. And that's how we decrease the number of animations we have to use. Like we have walk and had to make forward, right, left, and back. And the system I've built had one animation for start, and another to stop, and each one will need forward, right, left, and back. Same here. And we do the same to jog or run, whatever you call it. So let me see, 3 times it's 12 animations, more 12 animation, and have a total. We have 24 animations. Using that system, we just need one. We don't need right, we don't need left, we don't need back. Here we will still need the back animation because works different, but we don't need right and left. The same goes here. And I'll do the same here. So now, as you can see here, we don't have 12 animations anymore. We have just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 animations for each gate. So we went from 24 to 10 animation. And guys, that's how you optimize your work And that orientation warping, I had talked about it in another video, and that's the way we rotate the character using just one animation. And that's how it works. I am using currently just one animation. That's the main animation. So when we are going right, it rotates. When we go left, and then when we are going back, it just reverses the animation using the logic I explained now to you. As you can see, the project keep going, keep evolving, and I'm very happy to share with you this progress, this learning, and share my knowledge, share my experience, and I hope this is an open space to talk about game design. So if you like and you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel and you can see more like this here. I hope you like it. I hope to see you again, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.